Hi, and thanks for tuning into Access Unlimited's YouTube channel. Today we'd like to introduce you to the tie-down system that comes with the Multi-Lift with PIR mount, shown in this particular case in the rear of a Ford Expedition. So this is a detailed video just to show you how this tie-down system works and what its purpose is. It's not designed to be an instructional video or anything like that. You should make sure that you work with your Access Unlimited training department prior to using this or moving forward. So the multi-lift, as you may know, is a multiple use lift. So this is the same lift that you would use in many other environments to lift a person. It could be lifting a wheelchair into the rear of a vehicle, hot tub, swimming pool, all kinds of different things that you can do with the multi-lift. But today we're going to show you how to use the lift. So we'll disconnect up here from the wheelchair. We're going to show you how to use the lift. The tie-down system that comes with the lift. So the first thing we're going to do move the lift out of the way. Now most wheelchairs nowadays will come with a ring tie-down system. This is an older chair in particular. Now every chair has different docking devices and tie-down points, but this particular chair, we're going to use the recommended tie-down points right here. Okay, this tie-down is very important. In this belt tie-down system is only just to stabilize the chair, keep it from moving around. It's not a crash-tested tie-down system. It's not designed to be that. It's simply to keep the chair from rolling around during normal use. Okay, we would highly recommend if you're looking for something like that, that you want to have a person in the wheelchair while it's moving, then you would have to get a very different type of tie-down system. This is just to keep it from rolling around. Our next step here, we lower the lift. Adjust it to whatever the appropriate level is. So make sure that you capture the swing arm, and then just raise it up just a little bit, not real tight, just so that it keeps it from moving around. Okay, do not sit on the button because you could actually damage the lift or the mount. Okay, so that's the whole system with the belt tie down system and the stabilizer belts here to keep the wheelchair from rolling around with an Access Unlimited multi-lift with a PIR mount. Thank you for taking time to watch the video. Please watch the other videos in the notes field down below to give you a more complete understanding of this application and how it works. Thanks and have a great day. We hope to hear from you soon. Contact us at 1-615-873-0518. Evenings and weekends are no problem at 615-873-0518. Daytimes are 607-669-4822. Country code 1 in the United States Eastern Standard Time. Contact us on our website at www.accessunlimited.com. Have a great day.